Ever wondered how to turn your creativity into a 6 or 7 figure income? Today we're diving deep into an innovative and lucrative AI-driven business model, creating and selling digital art. But here's the kicker. What if I told you that you can automate this process, generating not just passive income but also scaling it to new heights? Stick around as we unveil the secrets to crafting AI-generated art, exploring proven strategies, and unlocking the potential for not just digital downloads but physical prints too. Ready to turn your artistic passion into a thriving business? Let's dive in. Step 1. The initial process. Alright, let's kick things off with a super simple process. First up, we're diving into the world of image creation. Our go-to tool for this? The fantastic AI image generator called Midjourney. It's a wizard at turning text prompts, essentially a sentence describing what we want the image to be, into a stunning piece of artwork. And get this, it's all made from scratch. We'll tweak our prompts to ensure we get top-notch images. Once our masterpiece is ready, we'll wrap it up in a slick listing and toss it online for sale. Now here's the beauty of it. AI does all the heavy lifting. This, my friend, is one seriously efficient side hustle. But hold on, we're not just randomly creating art here. We're aiming for stuff that sells. Step 2. Monetization. Let's dive into the thriving world of AI-generated art and its impressive income potential. Antique white art, for instance, has mastered the game, selling visually pleasing, vintage-style digital paintings. With over 600 listings and 31,000 sales in just 11 months, they hit 6 figures in their first year. Another shop, using the same approach, has amassed a whopping 377,000 sales, totaling over 1.3 million in 4 years. Even after mentioning them last year, they've bagged an additional $300,000 in profit with virtually no extra costs besides Etsy fees. Now meet the newcomers like Lexington Prince, rocking the AI-generated art scene for just 4 months but already scoring over 14,000 sales. That's nearly $10,000 a month in revenue. No need to just take my word for it, dive into the numbers yourself. Step 3. Product research. As we explore successful shops to model, it's crucial to shift from arbitrary image creation to understanding what sells. Research becomes our ally to avoid wasting time. When examining digital download artwork sellers, delve into their review section, filtering by the most recent to grasp customer preferences. Save successful listings for inspiration, noting styles and vibes. Avoid direct copying to dodge legal issues, but let these ideas guide your unique creations. Alternatively, leverage tools like Aura for shop analysis and filtering top listings to understand successful art types. This approach ensures you build a collection of concepts tailored to your shop. And remember, accessing Midjourney is a straightforward process. Step 4. Setting up. To get started with Midjourney, head to their website and click on Join the Beta. This will lead you to their Discord server where you can create your images, ensure you have a Discord account, it's free, and take advantage of Midjourney for free initially to understand the ropes. However, for selling the images, consider opting for one of their plans, starting at just $10 a month, granting you commercial rights. Stay organized on Discord by creating your server. Click the plus button, select Create My Own, name it, and voila. Then, find a general chat room in Midjourney's server, add the bot to your server, and you're ready to generate images in your dedicated space, avoiding clutter from others. With all that set up, you're good to go. Before we dive deeper into the art of AI-generated passive income, I want to take a quick moment to connect with you. If you're finding value in what you're learning so far, give this video a thumbs up. It helps us out. And if you haven't already, consider subscribing to Pivot Online for more insightful content on unlocking your creative potential and building income streams. We've got a treasure trove of videos waiting for you, so don't forget to explore the channel after this one. Now let's get back to unraveling the secrets of making income-generating art. Step 5. Making images. Now, let's get creative. Head to the chat box, type Imagine, and enter your prompt, like creating a hillside with wheat and flowers. After a brief wait, you'll get 4 image options with controls for customization. This method streamlines the process, allowing you to generate multiple images until you find the perfect one. Having experimented with AI for various successful images, from snowy winter scenes to rustic mountains, it's important to resize your image into popular aspect ratios and create professional mock-ups before venturing into selling your artwork. Step 6. Resizing images. Resizing the artwork is a straightforward process, and there are several free methods available. With the artwork ready, the next step is to sell it online. A recommended platform is Etsy, given its massive monthly visitor count, ensuring there's ample demand for listings. This also maximizes the potential selling price and keeps the business as passive as possible. If Etsy aligns with your plans, follow a quick free guide for opening your shop and start selling in under 10 minutes, with the added benefit of the first 40 listings being free and subsequent listings costing just 20 cents each. Step 7. Preparing to list your product. Before we jump into selling our artwork, it's crucial to understand a key aspect that successful shops follow: presenting artwork in professional mock-ups. The good news is, with this business model, you don't need to buy mock-ups. You can create them using Midjourney. To refine them for use, utilize a free Photoshop alternative like Photopea. Drag in your AI mock-up image and artwork design. Scale the artwork to fit. Hide the layer, make a selection of the frame area, unhide the artwork, and use the mask function with a blending mode change to multiply. This ensures the artwork blends seamlessly into the mock-up for a professional finish. As we approach the final steps before uploading our images to Etsy, there's one crucial step left. The image files might be too large for direct Etsy upload, so instead we need to upload them to a platform like Google Drive or Dropbox. This way we can create a thank you letter, possibly generated by ChatGPT, and include a download link to the Dropbox or Google Drive file. This smaller sized file will be uploaded as a digital download file on Etsy. Customers can then download the PDF and follow the link to access all the aspect ratios they might need for that image. Step 8. Scaling to 6 and 7 figures. To scale this business to 6 and 7 figures, consider offering physical prints through print on demand. Platforms like Printify and Etsy-approved integration make this process seamless. Set up your shop on Printify, select the poster or canvas, and drag in your design. Offer various sizes, design your product, and publish it directly to your Etsy shop. When a customer purchases a physical print, Printify handles the printing and shipping, and you keep the profit difference. It's essentially drop shipping for art. While the premium plan can make products cheaper, you can start for free to test things out. This expansion caters to those who prefer buying a ready-to-display print without the need to download and print it themselves. As we wrap up this creative journey, I hope you're feeling inspired to pivot your artistic passion into a thriving venture. If you enjoyed unraveling the secrets of AI-generated art and building passive income, don't forget to hit that like button. It's like giving our channel a little high five. For more insights and creative strategies, and to stay in the loop on all things Pivot Online, make sure to pivot over to the subscribe button and join our community. We appreciate you spending this time with us, and remember, the pivot to success starts with each small step. Thanks for watching, and until next time, this is Pivot Online, signing off.